Hi, my name is Tracy and I work for Temporary Tattoos Australia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own temporary tattoos from home using a laser printer. To create your own temporary tattoos from home, you will need the following items: a computer with a graphics program, a laser printer, at least one sheet of do-it-yourself temporary tattoo paper for laser printers, and at least one sheet of do-it-yourself temporary tattoo adhesive, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and a wet cloth. Also, most home printers don't print white ink, so if your design is white, then you may need to get your temporary tattoos professionally printed. For more information on professional custom printing, visit our website at www.temporarytattoosaustralia.com.au. The first step is to open your graphics software program on your computer. If you don't have a graphics program installed on your computer yet, there are many free as well as paid options available for download online. Some of these include Inkscape, GIMP, SketchUp, Adobe Illustrator, and many more. Just do a search on Google for the term graphics programs to find additional programs. Another option is to simply use your word processor and then import your images into the document. There's probably less editing functionality using this method, but it's one way to do it. Once you've opened your program, you will need to set up the document to match the actual size of the tattoo paper. All of our do-it-yourself tattoo sheets measure approximately 216mm by 280mm. Next, import and arrange your images the way you want them. Remember to allow a print margin all the way around the page to avoid your designs being cut off by the printer. Once you're happy with the layout of your images, the next step is to set the document to mirror image format. If there is no text in your images, this is not a necessary step. However, if you don't set it up as mirror image, then the tattoo will appear reversed from the original design when you actually put it onto the skin. So it's always best to do this step if you want the design to look the same on the skin as it does in the original design. It's especially important for designs that include words, numbers, flags, and banners. Next, print a test copy on plain paper to make sure everything's laid out correctly. Please note that the tattoo paper is not A4 size, and its dimensions are therefore slightly different to that of standard plain paper. So your test sheet, if printed on A4 paper, may vary to the actual tattoo paper in terms of size. The difference in sizing is quite minimal, but it's worth knowing in case your margins vary on the test sheet. If that's the case, just make sure that the document in your graphics program is set to 216mm by 280mm, and there shouldn't be any problems when it comes time to print on the actual tattoo paper. It's still a good idea to do a test printout even on A4 paper, so you can spot anything that needs fixing, such as colour formatting, errors in spelling, etc., without wasting a sheet of tattoo paper. If you're happy with the way everything looks on the test sheet, then it's time to print on the actual tattoo paper. Always print on the glossy side of the paper. It's also important to feed your printer with only one sheet at a time to avoid jamming the printer, since this paper is thicker than regular paper. Now take the clear adhesive sheet, this is actually two plastic sheets stuck together, and peel back one of the corners to expose the adhesive. Apply the adhesive sheet to the printed side of the tattoo paper. make sure to remove all air bubbles. One way to do this is to use a ruler and starting from the top, gradually work your way down the paper, pressing firmly with the ruler to push out any air bubbles as you go. If you have printed several different designs on your tattoo sheet, use your scissors to cut out the one that you want to wear. Try to cut as close to the outline of the design as possible. Make sure that the skin where you're going to apply the temporary tattoo is clean and dry and free from oils. Also, temporary tattoos work better on the skin where there is little or no hair. Next, remove the plastic top sheet. Place the tattoo firmly on the skin with the design facing down. Hold for 20 seconds. Next, hold a wet cloth against the back of the tattoo, press down and make sure to wet the entire tattoo thoroughly. Wait about 60 seconds before peeling off the paper backing. When doing this, gently peel back one corner to start with and make very sure that the entire tattoo has been applied to the skin. If any part of the tattoo has not been stuck to the skin, stop and reapply the wet cloth for another 60 seconds. Make sure to wet the entire tattoo thoroughly. And then remove the paper backing. Once you've removed the paper backing, gently rinse the tattoo with water and dab away. To remove any shine, take some translucent powder and simply dust it over the top of the tattoo. And there you have it, your homemade temporary tattoo. To purchase temporary tattoo paper and adhesive sheets like the ones used in this video, visit our website at www.temporarytattoosaustralia.com.au. We also stock a huge range of ready-made temporary tattoos, all of which use safe, non-toxic inks that exceed FDA standards, and we ship worldwide.